Maybe I'll clean out the cage right now too.
Why is it so dark?
Are you trying to get him off?
You want Ryan to take him?
I don't want to take him. Just take me already.
Where's my...
Then how can you get him out?
I did make this open the cage and just walked out.
And he landed on John?
I'm such a geek, aren't I? Where's this?
You see yourself, Francis?
Who's on there?
I'm afraid he's gonna land on me.
That's the idea.
Hmm?
Okay. Oh! There's no food in my... Oh! That's on film too, isn't it?
Is he like eating your beard?
Yeah.
Francis, you're so pretty. You're really pretty.
I'm afraid to get my eye too close to him.
You're very pretty, Francis.
Oh!
You gotta put it up under his feet if you want him to get on your finger.
Ow!
He can bite you hard.
Bastard.
John, he does not like to be filmed.
Well, no, it isn't that. It's the finger. I put him there to... Alright, alright. Oh, I gotta watch that now. I'm laughing at myself. Where's the off button?